This is the assignment for chapter 4.2, page 86 to 90. We're again talking about comparing linear functions. So here's number one. Who will have $1,000 first, Becky or Olga? Becky has $100 and is saving $10 every week. Olga's information is shown on the graph below. So we can look right here. If this is 250, it looks like we're counting by 50s, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250. So this is the time in weeks. We find a distinct point right here. So we're going from 100 to 500 in a matter of 20 weeks, which gives us a rate of $20 every week. She starts with 100, Becky starts with 100. Olga will save $1,000 first because she is saving twice as much per week as Becky, and they both start with $100. So look back on your notes. Anything that you have questions on, please let me know. Let's look at the very, very end. You have some of the same problems here. For each problem, circle the representation with the greatest rate of change. Put a star by the representation with the greatest y-intercept. So compare y is equal to x to the table and then to the graph, the equation to the given point. You're going to have to find the slope from the 2 points, find the y-intercept so that you can determine the y-intercept and the slope and then compare it to the table or to the graph here.